Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add address in Pandabuy. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on the Pandabuy app. Now what you need to do is simply search for the option called account. So as you can see, it's here. So click on the account and now you will not be able to find any option here for adding your address. So what you need to do is see on this top right corner and click on it, and here you can see the shipping address. So click on it. I have already added one, so I will just show you. I'm just typing random names just to show you how to do it. Just type your name, add your country, select your state. These are the initials of the state, so you have to know, and then put your city name, and here you need to put your apartment number and the zip code. I'm just typing random number. Alright, now click on confirm, and there you go. That's how you add your address in Pandabuy. Thank you.